Today we will see how to represent integers on a number line. So let us see question number 3 of our exercise 6.1. How to represent the following numbers on a number line. First one is given plus 5. So first step is to make a line. After that you have to mark a point 0 on center. Then you can see that on right hand side numbers are positive, on left hand side numbers are negative. So mark here 1, 2, 3, 4, and on left side -1, -2, -3, -4. So you can see that here in center 0, after that in right hand side positive numbers are there and on left side negative numbers are there, and we have to mark plus 5. So make mark on 5 here. So this is the representation of plus 5 on a number line. Next one -3. Again we'll make a line. After that you have to mark a center point 0. On right hand side you have to mark positive numbers, on left hand side negative number -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and this one is a number line, and we have to mark -3. So mark here -3. Next one plus 8. Again you can see we'll make a line. Here we have to put 0, then on right hand side positive numbers, left hand side negative numbers, and we have to mark here plus 8. So mark a circle or a point on plus 8. So this is the plus 8 representation of plus 8 integers on a number line. Same here you have to mark -7, -13 and plus 2. So this one is your homework. Now next question number 4. Following is a list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Here places and temperatures are given. First place Siachen. Here temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So these are the places and their temperatures are given for the 5 cities and for the particular day of the year. First question is given, write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Here you can see that the temperature is given a statement, but we have to write in the form of integers or in the form of numbers. So first you can see that in Siachen the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Below means, and before in the previous class we have seen that below means it is less only. So we will represent less by negative numbers, and so 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius, it means the temperature is less than 0 degrees Celsius, and by how much? 10. So write here -10 degree Celsius. For below you have to represent it by minus. Then Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Again you can see that the temperature is less than 0 by how much? 2 number. So again below is given, it means -2 degree Celsius. Then Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Above means it is more. The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius more than 0 degree, means it is 0 plus 30. So it will be as plus 30 degree Celsius. If we are representing below by negative sign, then you have to represent above by which sign? Positive sign. So Ahmedabad temperature will be plus 30 degree Celsius. Same here Delhi. Delhi is 20 degrees Celsius above. Again above is given, so it means plus 20 degree Celsius. Then Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. So in Srinagar you can see that the temperature is less by 0 degrees Celsius. How much? 5 degree. So it will be -5 degree Celsius. You have to represent above by positive sign and below by negative sign. So these are the temperature of 5 cities. Siachen -10 degree, Shimla -2 degree, Ahmedabad plus 30 degree, Delhi plus 20 degree, and Srinagar -5 degree. Here minus sign present means this is the temperature is less than 0 degree Celsius. Now B1. Following is a number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius plot the name of the city against its temperature. Here you can see one number line is given with different integers 5, 10, 15, 20, and here minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, like this. So we have to plot the name of the city against this temperature. So first you can see that Siachen temperature is minus 10 degree. So where it will come? So first you have to mark a point on minus 10 Siachen. Then next city is given as Shimla, and Shimla is minus 2 degree. Now we have to see where is minus 2. So you can see that between 0 and 5, how many divisions we have taken? How much difference is there? Of 5 number. It means after 0 it is minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So you can see that where is minus 2? On the second line, second mark after 0. So this is Shimla minus 2 degree Celsius, and it is on minus is given, it means it's on left side after 0, as left negative numbers are always less than 0 only. Then next one, Ahmedabad plus 30. Plus 30 means it is on the right hand side, and where is 30 here? This one is 30. So this is Ahmedabad temperature, and you can see that between each number how much difference we have taken. 5 to 10 means 5, 10 to 15 again 5. So here one mark represent one mark, one number means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One line means one temperature here. The next it is given Delhi. Delhi is plus 20. So where is plus 20? Here. So mark here plus 20. The last one is Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. Again you can see that it is minus 5. It means it is on the left hand side of our number line, and where is minus 5? Here. So mark here Srinagar. So these are the temperatures of different 5 cities for the particular day. Then which is the coolest place? Here coolest place means the temperature, the lowest temperature. In which city the lowest temperature is there, or the less temperature? And we know that from plus and minus, which is the lowest number here? We can see that from plus and minus number, positive numbers are always greater than negative sign. So here we can see that Siachen and Shimla both are having lower temperature than Ahmedabad and Delhi, and Srinagar also. Here the temperature of Siachen, Shimla and Srinagar, all the three are given in negative. It means they all are having lowest temperature than Ahmedabad and Delhi. Now you have to compare minus 10, minus 2 and minus 5. Out of this you have to see the lowest integer here. So you can see that out of minus 10, minus 2 and minus 5, which is the lowest number in integer here? Compare this. If you mark a number line, here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 till minus 10. So as we know that as we goes on left hand side, the value of the number goes decreases. So you can see that minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Same here we have to compare the temperature of minus 10, minus 2 and minus 5. So which is the lowest temperature here? Which is the lowest number? You can see that minus 10 is lowest, is lower or smaller than minus 2 and minus 5. And minus 10 is the temperature of which city? Siachen. Therefore, the coldest place is Siachen with 10 degrees Celsius of temperature. Coolest means the lowest temperature from all the 5 cities, and the lowest temperature is of which one? Siachen city here, minus 10. The last one, write the name of the places where temperature are about 10 degrees Celsius. Here we have to find the places which are having temperature above, means with having the temperature greater than 10 degree. So you can see that minus this Siachen, Shimla and Srinagar all are having a temperature of negative. It means they are less than 10 degree Celsius only. Only Ahmedabad and Delhi both are having temperature 30 and 20 degree, which is of positive sign. It means here 20 and 30 both are greater than 10. So Ahmedabad and Delhi. Both cities have temperature greater than or about 10 degree Celsius. Ahmedabad and Delhi only. Now question number 5. Compare the following pairs of number using less than or greater than sign. So 4 and 3. You can see that both numbers are positive. So which one is greater here? 4. As 4, since 4 is to the right of 3. Again you can compare two number line also. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that as we goes on right hand side, the value of the number goes increases. It means here 4 will come after 3 and 3 is on left hand side, 4 is on right hand side. So which one is greater here? Right hand side value. So you can say that 4 is greater than 3. The next one 0 and 6. So which one is greater? 6, as since also 6 also lies to the right of 0. Then minus 3 and minus 8. Using number line, if we see this one 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So now see, minus 3 is given here and minus 8 is this side. So minus 3 is on right hand side and minus 8 is on left hand side, and we know that the number which is on right hand side is always greater than left hand side number. So minus 3 is greater than minus 8. Or directly also we can say that the number with less value is always greater than bigger one in negative integers. Then minus 11 and 10. Here directly you can say that minus 11 is a negative number and 10 is a positive number, and we know that positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers, or minus 11 integer is greater than 10. Then 1 and 100. After this 1 is greater than minus 100. Then compare 2 and 9, 12 and minus 7, and 10 and minus 10, and this one is your homework. Then last question, question number 6. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order. First we have to write the integers between minus 4 and 4, and we have to arrange them in increasing order also. So between minus 4 and 4, which are the integers comes here? So you can see that minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Between minus 4 and 4, which are the integers here? 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. And this one you have to arrange in increasing order. So increasing order means from smallest to greatest. So which is the smallest number here? Integer here, minus 3. After that minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 3 is the greatest integer here. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the integers between minus 4 and 4. Here no need to write minus 4 and 4, because we no need to include minus 4 and 4. We have to write the between numbers only, which comes here. Same 0 and 5. Between 0 and 5, which are the integers comes here? After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So leave 0 and 5. The numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the integers which comes between 0 and 5. Then third one, minus 8 and 0. So where you have to start from minus 8. Here 0 is given means 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. And we have to write the integers which comes between minus 8 and 0. You can see on the number line also. If left hand side, if we go from center point 0, here it will come minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 till minus 8. Now we have to see which are the integers comes between 0 and minus 8. So these are the integers minus 1, and we have to write in increasing order means the smallest to greatest. So smallest is minus 7, 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, and minus 1. And these are the integers which comes between minus 8 and 0. Then fourth one, between 7 and minus 5. Only you can see after minus 7, which is the greatest number, minus 6 and minus 5. Only minus 6 is the integer which comes between minus 7 and minus 5. Same here you have to write the integers between minus 30 and 23, then 0 and 6, 3 and 6. I hope you all have understood the today's topic. So we'll see the next question of our exercise on the next day of our class.